Look at that. It looks like it's snowing. That's nuts. But it's not really snowing. It's them cottonwoods. Bad for the allergies. Look at this. This is our front yard. It looks like snow. It's not snow, it's cottonwoods. They really make my allergies go crazy. And they're early this year. So, I am going to do something I didn't do 2 days ago. Bruce, this is for you. Okay, two things. One, I'm going to play the clip from 2 days ago with the original pickups of my guitar. And then I'm going to play, oops, I'm going to play the same lick again with the new pickups. We'll see how this works. So you can tell me if you hear a difference. You're not going to hear a difference, but you'll get to hear the difference. Can't hear the difference, can you? Nope. I'm going to try and explain this, and I don't know if this will actually make it in the vlog, but today is the first day of the new phase of living. So the pubs and restaurants have opened up. They've been closed since the 17th of March. So whatever that is. It's going to be different. We're going to check it out and see what happens. Okay.
This is it.
Kind of excited.
Oh my God. We don't know anybody out there either.
Okay, follow the arrows.
We're gonna figure this out.
Yeah. Now I'm lost. We found a patio.
Found a patio.
We said hi to some people, but then we took a seat on the patio. Thanks, Sophie.
You're welcome. Enjoy.
Probably not supposed to share that on YouTube, so we'll just pretend that's ginger ale. Happy Tuesday, everybody.